goes that fast like an alligator. Come on, Megan. This is the thing. Trying to get these a decent video was hard because the sun goes in my eyes. You can't see them until they flick a certain way because they're not in a big flock together. I've only got the 3 out flying, there we go. There's Jenny because she's caught sight of them. That's a good thing. So they get spooked with the crows and they can't sit at peace and split up. They sit look by to receive one another again. It's good. This is the thing with terminals on the Loveland. They don't fly a great lot. They were in there a good couple of years when we first started getting out. But see now that they're used to getting out, a wee old does them, fly for about 10 minutes to sit in the roof. But at least they're up high, I know where they are, and I've filmed them. Number 8 still in that hut. As you can, that buggered off for 4 days, and it just comes out and sits in the garden. That's a chicken. It's not a pigeon, it's a chicken. There's my wee holers. Proud as punch.